stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine.
I got the eggnog. Alright, well, since this is our last video until Christmas, I just wanted to say, hope you guys have a happy holidays and Merry Christmas, or whatever holiday you choose to celebrate. And I just wanted to say that if it's not snowing where you are, then I hate you, because it is snowing a lot here, and I hate snow. Happy holidays, everyone. Peace.